press and news media persons, General Manager of Tripura Gramin Bank, other officials of TGB, ladies and gentlemen, आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार. You all are aware that today we are assembled here to declare audited result of our bank, that is Tripura Gramin Bank, for the financial year of 23-24. This bank was established in the year of 76 by Government of India under Section 3 of RRB Act with the objectives of providing banking facility to rural farmer, artisan and weaker sections of the community. The shareholders of this bank are Government of India, Punjab National Bank, our sponsored bank, and Government of Tripura. We are operating in all 8 districts of Tripura state with head office in Agartala, 3 regional office, West, South and North. 1 RCT in Sifaizala district. We are having 150 branches, 12 ultra small branches and 439 BC points across state. Bank has started posting of net profit from 2001 to and is still continuing. Bank has wiped off all accommodated losses of 139 crore in the year of 2012-13 by registering net profit on year-to-year basis. In the financial year 23-24, our total business grew up by 10%, and in absolute term, Tripura Gramin Bank has already crossed 12,000 crore business in the year of 23-24. As on 31st March 23-24, our business figure was 12,398.55 crores, and we have added in the financial year of 23-24 1,127 crores. Deposit increased by 9.70%, and in deposit figures we have added 7,778 crores. And in advance side, our advance figure increased 10.72%, and we have added 349 crores in the year 23-24. Then we have already diversified our loan portfolio in retail, MSME and agriculture. Our retail growth in one financial year was 82.32%. In MSME sector, we have increased our MSME portfolio by 14.93%, and in agriculture 11.53% we have added in the financial year 23-24. Then total agriculture advances is 27.55% against the regulatory requirement of 18%, and total priority sector advances as on 31st March 24 stood at 2,904 crore, that is 80.73% against the regulatory requirement of 75% of total advances. Our CD ratio has also improved from 40 to 40.88% from 40.50%. The bank has also earned substantial commissions in other incomes by selling third-party products, that is PNB, MetLife, Bajaj and LIC products. Despite of rising interest rate scenario and alarming situation in terms of bond market worldwide, TGB has earned capital gain / trading profit 3.96 crore from investment. In addition to the total interest income earned from investment is around 424.37 crore in comparison to 404.19 crore in the previous financial year. As on March 24, we registered an operating profit of 153.04 crore and net profit was 27.92 crores. As if we check our balance sheet, our operating profit grew up 547.93% and our net profit grew up 671.27% in the financial year 23-24. Our gross NPA has also reduced from 5.10% to 4.70%. This financial year, as on 31st March 2024, our net NPA figure is nil because we have already provided 100% provision. Our provision coverage ratio is 100%. Per branch business, we have also improved to 82.66 crores from 76.16 crore last year. Per employee business has also improved 13.96 crore from 12.85 crore. Tripura Gramin Bank has also been a pioneer in PMEGP and Swalamban loan sanction and disbursement among all banks operating in Tripura state. TGB is also leading bank in terms of self-help group banking linkage. Every year, the financial year also Tripura Gramin Bank has played a pivotal role in JLG financing. We are also participating in corporate social responsibilities by providing some assistance to the needy people. Last year we have deployed 121 new BC agents, and right now we are operating with 439 BC points across the state in all 8 districts. In RRBs across country, we are the first bank who has implemented bank on wheels, first solar power, that is inaugurated by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Agartala only. In digitally, we are also adding some more product every day. We have implemented QR code, SMS banking, WhatsApp banking, missed call facilities, call center, mobile banking.